Jamrock home. Presents. My Ungrateful Grandpa. Jamaican Movie. Starring Sister Petra. Epic Boss.
Boy, I tell you. You tell me now, sorry man, wicked brother. Wicked man, brother. Have your pitney. Eh? And you're not even take care of him. And no, you're follow you go up there by a woman there. A woman should text and some woman text and lick me. Eh? Wicked man, have your pitney and you take care of you and you turn up a peep then door. Eh? And you give me you help me tell me to carry suitcase for you. It not sound good. You have to take care of your pitney. Get your pitney take care right. Eh? Suppose me go there so that a woman text and lick me down this morning. Eh? Eh? What a wicked set of man. Have your pitney and take care right. God help you. I tell you. What a wicked set of a wicked man, brother. Eh? Sure.
So I don't know what kind of crosses this are content me. What kind of crosses man this a man? I don't know where this man come from out of nowhere. Want to spoil me there. But devil, you say this all crosses man come here to test me, but remember say, me a go overcome this a test here. Remember me tell you, cause I have to come out of me yard. I have to go back where I come from.
Child, tell me something, right? Who you calling crosses?
No, you.
Who you calling crosses? Eh? You don't have any respect for your father?
Take your hand. What you take?
You don't have any respect for your father?
Have respect for who?
Take up my suitcase, please.
Take up with suitcase. Where you think? What is wrong with your hand?
Me and hurt me from me come up deal, me
So
child.
tell me something. Before you see hand, who was carrying the suitcase?
That's what I am saying. When I was come up and deal with the suitcase,
When
me
you
had
was
hurt
up in
me.
Pandy Hill?
Yes! That's proper English.
That's proper English.
Ah!
Let me tell you something.
Ah!
You hear me say not to put the stick on the bed? You hear me? You hear me say not to put the stick on the bed?
Thank you, my child.
So tell me something. Why you opening the suitcase and you're going back today? Why you opening the suitcase?
I said I'm going to stay here for 2 weeks until my daughter come back, right? I'm just going in my bag to check if I'll take out anything
You're
out
going to
of
go
my
in
bag.
to see if I'll take out anything.
This is the water.
You see I'll take out anything out of your bag, sir?
Carry me own water because I don't drink tank water, you know. And
Well,
I
look,
know it's a must that you have here.
that is what I have. Tank water me have down here. A tank water they never kill me and you not stay here so you not go drink it.
My little whites.
Your little whites? Why you taking out all of them something there?
Me say I know you know.
You
See
know
that?
what?
Where the other pair of socks there?
Which other pair of socks?
I know say I'll thief the socks, you know, because I see when they push you in the suitcase, you know, man.
My God! Jeremiah, you mad?
Jesus Christ.
Jeremiah, you mad? You see when I push you in there too?
Me tell me that so me know say them village people are thief, you know, man. Look how the man thief the diamond socks.
Yeah, but here, yeah.
Mighty God.
My God, when you open you see all TV, you
Daughter, listen, I want you to follow me go down the alley later
For
on.
what reason?
So me can't get my favorite socks. This is expensive, you know. And look, why you never take the football socks here?
Take which football
Huh?
socks?
You take me in diamonds. Look
But
here.
you don't want it.
Made in Europe.
Made in Europe. What does
Why
it
make
mean?
sure you have to take this?
So look here, so what's wrong if you made in Europe or whatever? But nobody no thief, it is your mind. You have Alzheimer's or dementia. But why you going to the suitcase though for tell like for the young man?
Daughter, why you follow me go down the alley?
I'm not going anywhere because nobody thief out anything.
Let me check my kerchief.
Check your kerchief.
2, 3,
No man.
5, 6, 7. I know that boy is a thief from a seaman's thief, man. I don't know why I give the suitcase and never does jacket. By mistake.
God of mercy. Oh my God.
I can't believe
you
that young man went talk so Risto like him come from a Risto family. Is a big old thief. I can't believe that.
Jeremiah!
That's why you can't look for people and just say them is a good person, you know.
I'm glad you know
I never know that the man would have take one pair of the song.
I am glad you say that, you know, Father. Me glad you see so because you know why? Look at how you look. You see how you dress and how you look? And what you do? Calling people thief and look at your behavior. Eh?
Me and no, so you can't, no.
Why should I pull it?
Hear what? Pass a cup for me.
Pass cup where? What you gonna do?
Daughter, me can't function right without my wife. Just pass a cup, give me man. I can't believe say I really thief one of my diamond socks them.
Look here.
I can't believe that, man.
Because a plastic cup me have here. Those are what me use. Me can't afford glass cup.
Sure.
But here you know. Me need to call your daughter. You hear me say? Because you're not staying here. I mean, I have to find a way to get rid of you. Because look at all the things that you're doing. Look at the accused.
Look how that young man talks Aristo. And just appear up me socks to my thief. If he asks me, would I give him enough?
But him don't want it. You don't see him dress. You don't see him look nice. You don't see him dress.
He saw them dress, but deep down in them is a thief.
Most High God.
Later on, I'm going to disgrace him, you see.
Go down and you go disgrace him. You know where him live?
You are going to carry me there.
Me don't carry you go there.
So that means that you have hold with the thief when thief me diamond socks. If you not carry me down there for me disgrace him, you have hold with it. Take this up front of me.
Who you talking to? Who you talking to? And by the way, I didn't hear you flush the toilet, you know. I didn't hear you flush the toilet. What you going there for?
That's what I'm coming to.
That's what you're coming
I
to.
tell you that me hand not so strong enough to bring down the flusher. So you can go ahead for me and flush it.
Me must go ahead and flush what?
When I'm at home, is the maid do that, you know.
Which
and I
maid?
tell you that you is going to be my maid for the 2 weeks. Go ahead and flush the bathroom.
Look here. Jesus have mercy, God. I can see the rum is talking. This is not you. Because a normal man would be talking like this.
That whole thief, my favorite diamond socks.
Oh my God. The rum is
That's
talking.
why I'm flush it and come back now, man. I can't take the bag of nice days in my head, you know. Huh? Look how far my daughter went to travel, she carried the socks down, give me. And that thief in all going on my suitcase. Just a little minute. Imagine if me have been there for 1 hour, that thief out everything.
So, the devil send you here to come and disgrace me. Is that what the devil do? Send you here to come and disgrace. I have never heard anybody in the village behaving like this. And you leave from wherever you come from, because I don't know where you pop from. I come here talking about thief and all of this and making be nice over me, yard. Talk about stupid diamond socks.
My daughter, when you go to the supermarket, let me get this thing clear. When you go to the supermarket today, right? Out of the 500,000 what my daughter give you, I want you to buy mutton, oxtail, piece of beef, and some fish. I eat rock snapper, right? So, buy that out of the 500,000 and you can buy little crackers and stuff because I eat those things. And buy a pack of Horlicks, right? That's what I normally drink.
Oh my God. Out of $500,000 where your daughter sent to
Western Union to you for the 2 weeks.
And she don't know my name.
I am
Your
that she don't
daughter
know your name.
Your daughter don't know my name. And your daughter sent 500,000. Listen to me. Me say you need to come out of this house. And you need, give me these things. You see them something here? Take them off of the bed and
Leave
come
them
out.
alone.
You don't see you're mad like your mad daughter. You don't say to her no mad. You not Tanya, I know. You ugly face to know.
I get.
You not stay here no old man.
Listen me. You see this? This is what give me energy. And this is what we focus. Make me focus, right?
Now listen.
Now me get where you try to say. You see, from me drink it, you see I start get back my knowledge. I get what you're saying, my child. Right? The 500,000 where my daughter give you. I just get to understand, say. That is for my rent for the 2 weeks. Right? So, you need extra money now to buy food for me. Me get
Oh
it. No
my
problem. No problem. No problem, me try.
Oh
No
my
problem.
God. Oh my God. What is this?
No problem. I understand now.
Where you get so much money from? I said, where you get so much money from? Oh my. Listen to me. Put away this money and just go over your yard.
This is 250,000.
$250,000.
Just buy what you can keep the change when you buy whatsoever.
I can't
just
keep
buy
the
it.
change.
Just buy what I tell you to buy and keep the change, right? Buy what I tell you to
Where
buy
you get this money
and
from?
keep the change.
Where you get this money from? Where you get all of this money
You
from?
don't know that your father is rich.
I don't know if
the
you're
only
rich.
poor one I have, you know.
You're not shame.
Your brother
You're not shame.
rich, you know.
You're not shame. You're not shame.
The reason why
You help me.
listen to me.
You
The
help
reason
me.
why I don't help you because of your attitude and you come from the ghetto. You know how you're behaving. My daughter would never stoop to that level. What you stoop
You know
yourself
what?
to.
I
You
don't
know?
need your money. I don't need your stupid
You're
dirty
right.
money.
You're
I
right.
don't need your filthy
You're
money.
right. The money buy it a burn you.
Burn me.
It a burn you.
Look here, you come
I
talk
can't
about
speak,
me.
listen to me. I see that you have a conscience. You cannot take this money from me. Fire on it. Because the 500,000 where you get, you say, me daughter no give you nothing. But me understand. Conscience you bite you say you can't take this. I understand, me child. Just when you go to the supermarket, just buy what I said you to.
Well, listen to me. I have to clear this with you. You ever help me? Me hear you talk about because I come from the ghetto, you couldn't help me.
I never help you.
Yes, because
Right?
I'm from the ghetto.
Yes,
you never know
because-
that my mama come from the ghetto.
Yes, but what
So why you there with her? Why you sleep with her for?
What I
Eh?
am saying, right, is she push up herself and
She push up herself
Yes.
and you?
yes, and me. Because she know me have money. I know that you was going to come out to this, you know, that's why you don't look on here, you know.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you. So alright, you know say this me I will come out to what you are doing on my bed. What you are doing on the ghetto bed. It's piece of punch upon this. It's piece of punch upon the bed. So what you are doing it?
Let me call me.
What you are doing it? You feel all the pillow them tough. Come out of the bed and go on in your prestige bed.
But the person you have called is unavailable. Please leave.
What is the problem?
I want to call my daughter because me not think we can stay here for 2 weeks.
You cannot stay here.
Unavailable. Please leave a message after the
Yeah. Your golden daughter. Oh, she not answer her phone.
I'm sorry, but the person you
So how your golden daughter not answer her phone?
Oh, it look like the true she in the plane. She put her phone on aeroplane mode.
She put it on airplane
Yeah,
mode.
she put the phone on aeroplane. So as soon as she land, I know that she will buy a chip overseas and call me.
You're not even
I tell her, I'm going to tell her to send another money come so I can book a hotel. I can't stay in this place.
Oh my God.
Look at the condition.
Look at which condition.
Why you put up this here so far now? Huh?
It's bothering you? I put up my curtain for my reason. So why it is bothering you? This is not...
I can't stay here.
Me glad you say.
Is this a smart TV?
If this is a smart TV,
Yes,
you're
that's-
eye blind? Yes, it is a smart TV. So what?
Why it's so small?
Oh, you...
Why it's so... I don't use the small TV like this, you know. It's small.
oh my God.
We have a big old TV on the wall. I can't stay here.
Thank you very much. You know
Can't
what?
stay here.
If I never, if this is the first thing I ever hear you say, what sound good and look good. You can't turn ya. Why you turning over my cushions? Why you, it's my goddaughter, give them to me. Why you turning them over? Chantel, give it to me.
I'm just looking if the
Why
pillow
you-
them clean.
If the pillow them clean, no man, you're getting out of an old man. If Chantel buy them the other day for me Christmas, why you smell them for? Why you smell them for? Mister, why you smelling them? Give me this. You not drink no more in here. This is a house of prayer. Give it to me. Give this to me. This is a house of prayer. Me don't want you drink nothing.
Don't make me have any problem.
What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with this?
Alright.
Move this from her. This is a house of prayer. You hear me? Me don't want no more alcohol drinking here. Listen.
My child, you know
have
something to do.
I'm going outside. I have more than what to do, more than to deal with you.
Please, my daughter.
You're a straight problem, but you better make sure when I come back in here, you pack up every one of your garbage. Because I'll be sure.
What you calling, Jack? What you calling,
Your
Jack?
garbage that you have in the suitcase that you say I'll thief. Your stupid garbage them. You better make sure when I come back inside here.
And you better
You are going out.
Listen to me. You better make sure say when you come back from the supermarket, you take me to that thieving boy halyard. Because it now go end well when time me visit him later on.
Okay, bad man Jeremiah. We will see about that. I bet you today you're coming out of here.
I bet you. Them pick me nowadays, them no have no respect for them elder, you know. Here she behaving like some palace chicken, eh? Watch her. Not even a good paint. She can paint the place and make me feel at home. Huh? Jesus Christ, man. Mighty God. Mighty God. Them pick me nowadays no have no respect for them elder. Imagine she get 500,000 and she still want dig out one in my pocket. Eh? I saw when them come from the ghetto, then just licky, you know. Eh? Mighty God. She touch the money and I say she throw it down on the bed, you know. Cause no say a fire she touch, you know. She couldn't take it. Her conscience would have kill her. Mighty God. Huh. And I want to see that thief in her later. Because when me done with him, I go and not see him up in front of everybody when me go in yard. You think he done? Huh.
Single affair in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Hey.
The journey might long, but for you, me who wait. No, we bear your disgrace and humiliate. No, give up and Christ to them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound, me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, we to celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last year in my vein.
Single affair in me, Lord Jesus. Single affair in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Hey, single affair in me, Lord Jesus. Single affair in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over.
What if a bitter man to gain the world and lose him soul? No repentance in the grave, I just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me nah give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now. Clear the path and the way for me Lord right now.